Hello, let's talk about absolute value inequalities and how to solve them. In this case, we are going to talk about the situation in which we have a greater than sign, which means we have an or situation. So if we have an absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than 7, we are saying this. Since absolute value represents distance from 0, then we are saying that absolute value is greater than 7. Absolute value greater than 7. So on a number line, if distance from 0 to 7 would be 7. Distance from 0 to negative 7 would also be 7. And I'm putting open circles here because we don't have equals. We have only greater than but no equals to. So if distance is bigger than 7, that means we have to be somewhere past 7. Right there. But we also can find distances bigger than 7 from 0 if we go past negative 7 this way. Any value that's in this area or in this area would be more than 7 units away from 0. And that's what we are looking for because our problem says find the distances that are bigger than 7. Now let's try to set this up algebraically and solve. So to figure out how to set it up, let's just analyze a number in this region. This number is smaller than negative 7. But it is not bigger than 7. Or if we look at this number, or any number in this region, this number is bigger than 7, but it is not at the same time smaller than 7. So that means we cannot have two solutions at the same time. This number is either on one side or the other. So there is no and situation. It's actually or situation. It's either number that's over here or number that's over there. No number here can at the same time be smaller than 7 but bigger, smaller than negative 7 but bigger than 7. That tells us that we have an or situation. So if we have a greater than sign or greater than equal to, then we have so-called or situation. We have solutions that are on two different sides. Okay, so let's now use that information to set this up. So we are saying that 2x minus 3 is got to be a value that's smaller than negative 7. So any number here is actually smaller than negative 7. So that inequality comes from that side. Or 2x minus 3 got to be greater than positive 7. That's for any number here. For any number there. So now we have two inequalities and then we just need to solve each. So to solve them, which means to solve for x, we need to move everything away from x. So in this case, we need to add 3 everywhere. So this will go away. We'll get 2x is less than, and this will make negative 4. And then in this case, 3's go away. So we have 2x is greater than 10. All we need to do now, divide by 2, everything. So divide by 2. 2's go away. Then we get that x is either less than negative 2 or greater than 5. So any number that's either smaller than negative 2 or greater than negative 5 will satisfy this inequality right here, would be part of a solution for this inequality. So on a number line, if we now want to put our x's on a number line, 0 being here, then negative 2 is right here, and positive 5 is right there. And I'm putting again open circles because there is no equal sign here with the inequalities. And it says any number that's less than negative 2. That means any number that lies to the left of negative 2 is going to be part of the solution. Or any number that's bigger than 5 is also going to be part of the solution. So any number past 5, to the right of 5, is part of the solution. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, please post below. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget to smile.